Hello everybody, this is Nukes. I'm going to give you an intro and guide into advanced Japanese carrier gameplay. First thing to do is analyze what carrier you are facing. What the enemy carrier is tells you how to fight it and lets you know your limitations. I'm facing Lexington. It has more limited total squadrons that move slowly, meaning I don't have to worry about sniping. If he does choose to snipe, it is ineffective. How to fight it is more experience based, but I learned to use his slow plane tempo against it. There isn't a ton of AA, which means I can use my planes more offensively. Because of their team's compound, it is safe to flank. Since this is encounter, people tend to play more passively. Without further ado, let's get into the gameplay. When doing an aggressive flank on this map, I like to go to the right side. To get a better attack approach, I like to send my planes towards a corner so they are parallel with the destroyer. In Japanese carriers, I like to tripod at the start to protect me from AA. I mostly look at the mini-map when managing my planes. It makes it easier to move around the map and tells you when to recall to fighter bait. Notice how my fighter is offensive and defensive simultaneously. With experience, you'll learn when your planes will spot the enemy, so I will recall with the instinct to prepare a drop in a destroyer. You have to be fast at recognizing what the destroyer will do. I know he will reverse into my torpedoes, so there is no need to cross drop. As soon as I see the carrier deploy a plane, I immediately put pressure on them. I set up this angle to send my fighters towards AA so I can have a dogfight advantage, along with being able to watch how their fighters move to recognize if it has been baited or not. Remember, when their fighter smoothly follows your fighter, that means they have been baited. Because of how clustered the enemy is, I make sure to only attack in tripods. Always be attentive of your fighters, even if you are using your bombers. You always want to maximize efficiency and make sure they can never be baited. There are smooth ways to adjust your fighters to where they don't lose attacking efficiency. You'll want to adjust them when they are exiting their attack range. Always keep them busy. I decided to let them attack my bombers as mine will survive. By overextending, they gave me free fighters. I need to stop soon or I will overextend and die. Even though I am a fighter down, I know their carrier will snipe me, so it is worth temper and efficiency so I can survive. I decided to democon as 3 fires are worse than a flood. I might also be able to eliminate their torpedo bomber. If you notice, I adjust the ship to the left so their torpedo bombers have a further distance to travel, exposing themselves to more AA in order to attack me. When I do a fighter bait to increase my DPM and slowly deplane their carrier. I know I will lose my squadron, but it is a good trade. My fighters needed to be replaced anyways. I decided to push slightly in order to decrease distance. I am adjusting my plane's timing so they follow the turn and finish the job. I recognize their battleships aren't rushing me, giving me an opportunity to push again. I know I need to simultaneously be cautious of their carrier. I decided to take their fighter head on, as I am guaranteed to win. I am continuing to tripod until they are split up. I am pre-positioning my fighters so I can attack their planes as soon as they are launched. Notice because of my aggressive and attentive fighter positioning, their carrier has had very few opportunities and is continuously being choked. Lastly, notice how my team benefited from my good target selection. That is the end of this guide. I hope you enjoyed and I sincerely hope that this helped you in some shape or form. Until next time.